Hi joyful friends, today I will draw Bluey being visited by Santa Claus, with twinkling stars, jingling bells, and a sky full of Christmas magic. While the drawing slowly comes alive, let me share the story. But first, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, so more holiday adventures can shine bright for you. The night was quiet, the world wrapped in soft snow. Bluey curled up by the glowing Christmas tree inside her cozy home. The lights sparkled red, green, and gold, and the smell of cookies filled the air. Her eyes grew heavy, but she whispered, "I wonder if Santa will come tonight." Just as she began to drift, a soft jingling sound echoed outside. Bluey's ears perked up. She hurried to the window, pressing her nose against the frosty glass. There, against the moonlit sky, she saw a sleigh flying above the rooftops, pulled by reindeer whose hooves sparkled like stars. And guiding it all was Santa Claus himself, dressed in red, his beard white as snow. Bluey gasped in awe. "He's real!" The sleigh landed gently in her yard. Santa stepped down with a warm smile, carrying a big sack that jingled with toys and surprises. "Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, Bluey!" Santa said cheerfully, his voice deep and kind. Bluey wagged her tail so fast it felt like it might fly off. "Santa, you came!" Santa knelt down and patted her head softly. "Of course I did. You've been such a good little pup this year." He reached into his sack and pulled out a gift wrapped in shiny silver paper, tied with a bright red bow. Bluey carefully tore it open with her paws. Inside was a small glowing lantern shaped like a star. "Whenever you feel the night is dark," Santa explained, "this lantern will remind you of joy and love." Bluey's eyes sparkled as she hugged the gift tightly. "Thank you, Santa. This is the best present ever." Santa chuckled. "The best present isn't in the sack. It's the laughter, kindness, and love you share every day." Bluey nodded thoughtfully. She looked at the cookies and milk she had left out and said, "These are for you." Santa smiled, took a big bite of the cookie, and laughed. "Delicious!" The reindeer pawed the snow, ready to fly again. Santa climbed back onto the sleigh and waved. "Remember, Bluey, Christmas magic lives in your heart." With a flick of the reins, the sleigh lifted off into the sky. The bells jingled louder, echoing across the stars, until Santa and his reindeer disappeared into the night. Bluey hugged her lantern, her heart glowing brighter than ever. She whispered softly, "Merry Christmas, Santa." Outside, the snow sparkled as if answering back. Close your eyes, let dreams take flight. Bluey saw Santa this magical night. Love and laughter, shining true, Christmas joy belongs to you.